what's up? Welcome back to another video, and the camera just... Okay, sorry about that, but in today's video, I will be, well, not really, okay, I'm gonna try the TikTok nature cereal thing. If you've never heard of it, Lizzo did like a whole thing on her TikTok. I'll show that video real quick.
I'm addicted, y'all. It's really so good. I don't know what it is about the coconut water. But it's like creamy. And the pomegranates give you that crunch. It's really like, and then the blueberries, of course, they put blueberries in cereal, candy. Don't knock it till you tried it. I'm addicted.
But she made it like a big thing, and then everybody started trying it, and it became this huge thing on TikTok, and it happened like, I don't know, a couple weeks ago. And I tried it a couple weeks ago, but I didn't really have like, I recorded myself trying it for the first time, but I really didn't have like a video or anything to like post. So I didn't post it because I didn't know where to post it, because I was like, I want to make this a video, but I didn't make it a video. So I have nothing to post. So here's the video. I should have posted this weeks ago, but it's here now. Okay, so just make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and just enjoy the video. Just made it. Never made it before. I don't really know how much of everything I'm supposed to put, but just wanted to try it really quick. Okay, so do we just like take a spoonful? Where's my spoonful? Wow. It's not bad, actually. The coconut water basically ruins it because I don't like coconut water, but it's really not bad. 7 out of 10. I look terrible. Okay, let's just do this.